Many of us might be thinking of a secret way to getting a beautiful smile and fresh breath. The secret solution which we are going to show you for that, is nothing but oil pulling. Oil pulling is actually an age-old method for oral health. In fact, oil pulling is popping up again as a go-to remedy for gingivitis, plaque, teeth whitening, and bad breath. Certain oils used in the oil pulling method can help you prevent gum diseases and maintain healthy teeth. Oil pulling is not a new method, but it's gaining popularity once again. In a time where people are interested in natural remedies, it's no wonder that people want to know more about this ancient technique. And the great news is that it's not based on pseudoscience, but real results. This oral therapy dates back almost 3,000 years. It is considered an Ayurvedic medicine, which is a traditional Indian system. Oils were used before the concept of toothpaste or toothbrushes came to exist. Instead, people relied on the natural remedy of oils to cleanse their mouths and protect them from tooth decay and oral diseases. Now let's see how does it work. Oil pulling or swishing, as it is sometimes referred, is actually a simple process. The idea is to swish oils in your mouth for 20 minutes per day. However, when first starting, it is a good idea to build up to that amount of time. For the first few days, start pulling for about 5 to 10 minutes. You can gradually increase time. Take note not to swallow the oils. Using a small amount will reduce the risk of consuming. When you are finished, remember to spit the oil in a trash can rather than your sink, because it could cause a clog. Let's see which oils are recommended for using in oil pulling. 5 oils are the most commonly used ones for oil pulling, which are coconut, palm, olive, sesame, and sunflower. Coconut oil tends to be the more attractive option, but the oil can turn to solid if temperatures are too low. Sesame, sunflower, and coconut blended creates a detoxing mixture that proves beneficial to oral health. What are the benefits of oil pulling? While oil pulling should never take the place of brushing and flossing, it does have its perks. Primarily used to whiten teeth and freshen breath, there are a few other added benefits as well. Some people use the oils to curb symptoms of TMJ and other jaw-related pains. Food Matters indicates that the properties found in oils are an excellent toxin cleanse. As such, oil pulling becomes a great source for detoxing the body, reducing headaches, and keeping skin clear. So, to gain these remarkable benefits, to use oil pulling on a regular basis,